And the Hill Country is just now starting the recovery as the search continues after Friday's flooding left thousands of people stranded without even a bed in which to sleep, electricity, or even running water.
Yeah, the main question that we've gotten across the state and nation is how people can help. KENS 5's Earl Stoudemire joins us live from Kerrville right now. And Earl, what can people do?
Good morning, guys. The Salvation Army Kerrville Kroc Center here at 855 Hayes Street. It's the official site for volunteer and donation efforts for Kerr County. So this week from 8 to 5, they're collecting non-perishable food items, hygiene items, bleach, brooms, shovels, trash bags, diapers, socks, baby wipes, and trash bags. If you want to volunteer, give them a call at 830-465-4797. You can also sign up to volunteer on the Texas Community Recovery Management System at tcr.community.os.org. For donations in San Antonio, there are plenty of places to give. Today, Hemisphere Park will have a donation station at Yanaguana Garden from 10 to 4 p.m. Roadmap Brewing Company at 723 North Alamo Street is accepting donations through Tuesday. Folklorist Coffee House is also accepting donations at their locations on Michigan Avenue and New Braunfels Avenue. For animals, Kerrville's Pets Alive is accepting donations at 2102 Memorial Boulevard. The Bulverde Area Humane Society and San Antonio Pets Alive are also accepting donations at their headquarters. For online donations, you can give to the Community Foundation of the Texas Hill Country, Texas Search and Rescue, King's Ransom Foundation, and Cross Kingdom Church that's based in Kerrville. Now for more info on ways to give and volunteer, please go to our website, kens5.com. We have a full list of instructions on ways you can help out, and we'll continue to keep you updated online as more info comes available. Reporting live in Kerrville, Earl Stoudemire, KENS 5.
All right, thanks so much, Earl.